Institute. I am very glad that I participate in this course because it is improve my English. The teachers are very good. It is really useful course. Bye.
من نام شنايا بولي توارم بجداري لخولي إنجليزي مكري زر سودم لبنيا سباس بهم مامۆستاکە.
Summer course, and it's great to be here instead of being home on our social medias, and we're having so much fun here, like just a good time with our friends and teachers. We're studying Supermind's book, and teacher gave us a lot of vocabulary words, and we're doing different activities in class that will take a lot of benefits from it.
My name is Mihraban, and I'm 10 years old and I learn English at Clever School courses, and I have a learning at like English stories and playing all of the games, and I have a lot of friends at here. My best friend is Aya, and my teacher's name is Miss Shokhan. She is the best teacher.
Hello friends, my name is Shokhan. I'm an English teacher here at Cleveri Institute. Here in Cleveri Institute we have students of different ages and levels. We divided the classroom based on different the levels of the students. Here I teach a level 4. We have amazing students. Our kids are so excellent, they are so smart. We try to make learning fun here. That's really important for us because we try to teach our students at the same time we have fun with learning.
study in Clever School course, and I love my friends. My teacher is so good. She's name is Miss Shokhan, and my best friend is Miraban. She's name is Miraban.
Hello guys, my name is Metin. I'm 12 years old. I have two friends. They are Paywan and Halan. My teacher name is Shokhan, and it is smart and good. Thank you for watching.
Are you ready? Yes. Cheer up. And oh, you're the same one. Have at least faster. Very
It's in groups, okay? So, dear students, as you know, I've already told you that for each 20 vocabulary words, we will have a short story. So for today, we have the short story, and you will discuss all the questions. Okay. Dear students, as you know, every day we have different activities and different games. So for today, we will have the short story with different questions and answers. As you know, the first part of the questions were multiple choice, true or false, or making different sentences and like translating and having the definitions and examples of the words that we have studied. Now the time starts. You will have 5 to 7 minutes from now on. Okay, it starts. Start, please. Hello, dear parents and students. Wherever you are, we are welcoming you for this summer course in Clever Institute. We, as Clever Institute, we have different levels of students. We provided a great environment for your dear students. We are really careful of how we teach. Our teachers are great and they have the capacity to teach. We have chosen the teachers that are helpful, they are kind, that they are expertise and they know how to deal with different situations and different problems. We really assure you that you will be the people who will be happy in the future, because we deal with the students in a way that have not been dealt until now. So we welcome you every summer in Clever Institute, and we have different level of the students. We have different teachers. We have provided 4 levels for the students. Each level has its own characteristics. The teachers are always using data show, any assistant like tools that should be used in teaching. Like again, data show, papers, a smart board, worksheets, whatever it needs, we will provide for our students. Be sure in the end of the course, we will test the students and the level of the students. If they have not like taken any benefit or something, of course, we will have other chances for the teachers and for the students as an extra days. So be sure that every month we will have 2 different exams for the students to assess the level of the students. So most welcome for our institute. Be sure that here's the part where, or here's the place where you enjoy and you will have fun at the same time. You will learn everything in a great manner of possibility. Thank you so much.